Amekula moja. Pia mimi nitakula moja pia.
All right, let's try this thing called Mayai Pasua. It's like a Kenyan street food. It's a boiled egg with kachumbari, which is tomatoes, onions, cilantro, a little bit of lime, and some chilies. Put right in the middle of a boiled egg. I see it's very popular. I have never tried it, so let's try this guy. Man, it looks good. So just cut up the egg, cut in half, put the salsa in there, go to town. It's like an egg sandwich.
Tamu. You ain't a pili.
Look at that egg peeling skills, man. Look at that. I like that. Put a spoon in there. With some skills. Very hygienic.
Tamu. Unajua sijawahi kula hii? Sijawahi kula hii. Nitaweza moja nyingine. Bila hiyo ina pilipili mingi.
Sawa.
Ile ina pilipili. Kwa hivyo hii ina pilipili, hii ina pilipili. Yeah, no.
Oof, that was a lot of chilies. Let me try the one without the chilies.
Bas. Tamu.
Sawa.